Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2013 utility, 45 foot by 102 steel wood unit, folks. Sliding air ride suspension. This unit does have a brand new kingpin plate. It's been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Wood deck is in excellent condition. Brand new buyer's toolbox. As I said, air ride sliding tandem on the back here. Steel refurbed outer rim, brand new rubber, brakes and drums have been replaced. Universal mounting kit, Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, many other brands. This unit is adjustable. You can slide it from a 23 inch to a 28 inch spread for your tires. Brand new straps and ratchets, 45 by 102 steel wood air ride suspension. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can see our available forklifts, trucks, and trailers for sale. Give us a call at 260-238-4998.